slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, welcome everybody. I'm Steve Kalayjian, and welcome to the Asia session sponsored by MyFundedFutures. How is everybody tonight? Hope everybody can see my chart. Look at the gold. Gold just got kaboom. What a beautiful bull flag on the 60-minute time frame after reverse. There's nothing better than when you charts are when the MACDs are positive from below the pivot here. Good afternoon, everybody. Good evening. What's going on with Lunar? LUNR. What the hell are you talking about, baby goat here? Let's see. Up 3. Where is this thing? Okay. All right. So we got the gold here pushing up here. Again, Papa Trump said there's a 1% chance that the ceasefire is going to last. Okay. So we won the war. The Guinness Book of World Records said we've won the war about, 39 times. Bear Trader, you get my video, Bear Trader? All right. Okay. So we're negative here on the 15-minute time frame on the S&Ps. I think that you know what I think? I think they're going to eventually going to get killed here. I think that the market is pretty much telling you here that the war is over again. Right, exactly. Anyway, Apple, hello. How are you? Vanessa, Journey. All right. How is everybody today? How did everybody do today? How did everybody do? All right, oil, where's oil? We got to look at this oil here. We got to look at oil. Unbelievable day. Unbelievable day today. Great day. Let's look at, let's see something here. Let's look at oil. Oil, let's look at the gold. The gold bullish here, way overbought though. So if this gold gets up to the 80.5 to 88.5, I take a scalp short here. Also, let's look at oil today. Oil kaboomed, and then it got kabooshed. Okay, beautiful. Oil is negative on the 60-minute time frame. We got that push up right near the close, almost near 100, and then they kabooshed it. Okay, 30 minutes still bullish. Let's see what's going to happen here on this oil here. Yeah, very quiet here. Very quiet. All right, NASDAQ. Actually, NASDAQ got kabooshed down to like 29,320 and rallied 100. Don't ask me why. I have no idea. The war is over again. The war is over. So today I want to just talk about something. We have Raphael here today from New York. Remember Raphael trades in the right in here? Hello, TDH. How are you? Anybody new here, please press a 1 or type in a 1 here. So we have Raphael here. Now, I wanted to say something here. Let me wait till the 8 o'clock bell. And there it is. Okay. Funbin Khan, how are you? Look at the oil. Look at this oil. I was about to say take the long at 98. All right. Gold just got kabooshed. S&Ps and NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ, let's see, they're starting to roll over here. All right. So I want to just tell you, look at the oil go. Gold, I would cancel the short, never got to 80.5. The war is over again. Oil is going right back up to 105, 110. So Raphael Trades is here, came to visit me for the week and staying here. And, the one thing I want to just share with all of you, and I just want to be very candid with you. I've been doing this now for 44 years come this August 1st. And one thing that really strikes me is when I see talent, okay? And I'm not just saying this because the young man is behind me. And I want to just tell you, this is truthful. He's right here. I didn't put words in his mouth or anything. He came in and the first hour and 15 minutes, he made $1,200. I put him past an evaluation. So now he's fully funded on that account. Okay. Then I said, okay, well, you just can't sit here and do nothing, because my motto is, or my philosophy is, to trade multiple accounts before you can start linking them up. Okay. So, wow, gold was a great short. S&P is a NASDAQ. Okay. So he goes and buys another account. Iceman in the house. Okay. How about the 18th? How about the 38th time? So he goes and buys another account and boom, makes $3,000 in an hour and a half. No, I'm not even joking. Okay. Maybe an hour and 45 minutes or whatever. Anyway. And then what happens? You got to turn that off. And then what happens is he gets another account. Okay. And he makes $3,000 on that one and passes the evaluation. I said, keep going, buy another account, right? And what are you up on the fourth account? 1,800 or 1,200? I forgot.
That was 1,800.
1,800 on the fourth account. So in today, on 4 accounts, he got 1,200 to pass the eval, 3,000, 3,000. Okay, made $9,000 today. Never met the gentleman in my life. He came right from our chat right here. He came to visit me, wanted to learn. He got in last night. He sat on my couch, immediately opened up, started looking at my course, asking me questions. And then when we got back last night after dinner, he opened up his laptop again, and he was doing the course and reviewing. That's what it's going to take to be great. Okay? That's what it's going to take to be great. And I don't give compliments. I'm telling you, for those of you who know me, okay, I don't give compliments. I see talent. I recognize the talent. And this young man should be proud of himself. And all the people I've dealt with, I met so many great people over the months. So many great people. Okay? And the one thing I will have to say, truthfully, and that everybody learns differently. And all these people that have come to see me are great people, okay? But I have to give I have to give a shout out. He's outside of one other person who's very, very experienced. Okay, I'm not going to mention his name, and he knows who he is. Outside of that one person, this person never saw my methodology, learned up the yin yang between last night and today. And this person, I will say, is probably the number one person I've had so far. And I'm proud to say that. Now, the other people, I'm proud of them as well. But I'm just saying this man today, and I'm very, very honored that he's here. We got 4 more days together. The focus that he had, I looked in his eyes. I'm telling you, I've never saw it. Josh, I'm telling you the God's honest truth. I would turn around a couple of times. The man looked like he was laser than like I am, right? And that's what it's going to take, because you could be great or you could be good. I choose to be great, okay? And you know, for me, this is why I do what I do, right? Because to see a young man who's 28 years old to be able to start recognizing his skill, his confidence was good. And I'm telling you, it was truly remarkable. And kudos to you, Raphael, really. Okay, kudos. People who know me, I don't give out compliments. I do see talent, but it takes time. But what I saw today was beyond impressive, and you should be very proud of yourself. Just keep up the good work and keep up the focus, because that's going to take you to the new heights. That's what it's going to take to be a great trader, to make hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, okay? And I wanted to say, I never met this man into my entire life until last night. I saw him on the chat a couple of times, right? Always saying how much he blew an account, he can't be consistent, this and that, okay? To pass 3.5 accounts today is absolutely remarkable, absolutely remarkable. And I just say that really, and I'm very proud of him, okay? So kudos. Really, seriously. Okay, I just did it on the air. I didn't have to do that. Okay, that's because I truly believe in what I saw, and I saw it with my own eyes. Okay, very proud of you. Okay, all right, that's right. Anybody can do it. Okay, that's Raphael. Yeah, that's Raphael from our Discord. Raphael Trades. Okay, all right, exactly. Okay, Iceman, get in there. All right. Whew. Very, very, very proud. Okay. Anyway, with that being said, ESP, Fidelity, Erica. Okay. All right. So 15-minute time frame is getting a little oversold here. NASDAQ. I just don't get how this NASDAQ is not, okay. Southern Aussie. Okay. And you know what he did? He reached out to me. He texted me. We started communicating. And he said, I think it'd be helpful if I came, spent the week. And why would I kick you out? I would kick you out if you really show lack of discipline and you were just a gambler. I would say, vamos. That's it. Vamos. Hasta la vista, baby. Right? No. Okay. But, I really got to say, this is why I do what I do, and I love it. Okay? I love it. Jordine, how are you? Yes. First Major Tom. Exactly. That's him. He's here. Papa Trump's talking. Oh, no. We won the war again? Oh, my God. I said this morning we should call the Guinness Book of World Records to tell them we won the war. The record. Look at this oil drop. Oh, my God, this oil. Just dropped 20. Tried to short the gold at 80.5 before we started here. Got up to, I think, 79.80. 319 time. That's my line. Absolutely. But I'll give it to you. Hello, Abik. How are you? Watching the stream after a long time. How are you? SK, Pedro, what's going on? What size account? 50,000, right? 50,000 account?
Yeah.
50,000 account. 50K, they call it 50K. I don't know what the hell I am. You caught the NASDAQ short? Okay, the NASDAQ should get a bounce here. Whew. Hey, Shimya. Abik, how are you? Okay. Very proud of Raphael, really. Jimmy Dean, what's going on? Zeph side, Melvin, Keith, how are you? All right. He's going to announce Venezuela and Alberta as new states. Oh, my God. Probably. Oh, my God. All right. It's Monday. And let's see if we get one more push up here on the gold. This gold should be bought on this pullback here. Gold just got down to 68. Nice little bull flag. What a bull flag on the 30-minute. Oof, right here. How about this Micron? 818 today. SanDisk. Oh, my God. These stocks. Unbelievable. Where are these stocks going? Where are these stocks going? Intel, cabooshed. These chip stocks. If it was for these chip stocks, the S&Ps would be 5,600. I'm just telling you. Right? Hey, Linda NQ, how are you? I'm doing okay, Michael. How are you? I don't even watch basketball. All I know is I said last night, this is one of my guys, and I said I would bet the house on Philly. They're not getting swept. My friend said, when am I having your house? Oh, my God, that's hysterical. But seriously, who the hell thought that the Knicks were going to sweep the 76ers? They hate each other. All right, let's see if we make some money here. All right. Okay, very quiet here. I'm still not sure what time should I be watching RSI. I don't look at RSI. Abik, if you want to call me, I'll talk to you later after the stream. 914-500-7484. Rafi never used my charts before. He learned them today. Okay? Okay? He never learned my charts until last night. He sat on my couch, opened up his laptop, okay, and that's that. All right. NASDAQ gets down to the 60-90 range. I'd probably take a scalp long on the NASDAQ. It's very quiet here. I can't believe the market's not getting killed. your first Asia session. Wiki, nice to meet you. Again, if anybody new here would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email. My number is 914-500-7484. Okay? All right. Just give me one. Okay. All right. Let's see if this gold can pull in here. Oh, you have WhatsApp? I have WhatsApp. Okay. How's NASDAQ look? NASDAQ looks like it's going to get oversold here and should make a lower high on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, that's what I think. I think oil right now, gold. I'm looking to see if this gold, what did it just get up to? 70, 80. Okay. Let's see if we're going to get a little bit of a long here. Okay. Are you trading gold? Or Josh, are you trading gold or so?
Yeah.
Gold?
Yeah, micros. MGC.
Yeah, I know. But okay, got it. All right. Everybody welcome Lore Trades. Everybody welcome LOR Trades. Okay, very nice to meet you. Sefi, how are you? Just walked in the door. You missed a great story here, Rocky Trades. And again, kudos to Raphael here today. Kudos, big time. Okay? All right. All right. All right, this NASDAQ, you can just scalp longs, 93 to 97 here. Break 380 or below on NASDAQ. I think the 15s might get one more push here, the 15-minute time frame. NASDAQ looks toppy here. I mean, I can't say the word. I mean, if anything, you scalp the longs here, right? I want to show you a really good pattern here today while I have you. So you guys learn the methodology. Today, the 60-minute time frame on Coinbase reversed to buy. You can see the yellow dots into the cayenne. That's extremely very bullish. The ADX is rising. The MACDs are positive from below the pivot. And what do you look to do? You buy the first pullback on the 5, and then look at this beautiful pullback on the 15-minute time frame, right into the 80 positive, the rising ADX, the positive MACD, the big buying pressure. Look at this. You could have bought this below the 210 level, 209.50. And if you count 8 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars, you're talking roughly $8 on Coinbase. This is a powerful, powerful strategy right here. Powerful strategy on Coinbase. Okay. Monster long. Okay. Again, when you get the pullback like that into the rising ADX on the 15, 30, and 60, the oscillator gets oversold. That's a beautiful bull flag into a rising ADX. Boom. Back up the truck, Gus. Boom. There you go. NASDAQ, you get the long.
No, I'm looking at gold.
Gold, there's nothing to do right now. Okay. Again, if anybody new here would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email, and I will send you, yes, more screens. Absolutely. I need more screens. Absolutely. Raphael, you need more screens. Look at them. They're making fun of you. Put a picture of yourself in there so I make it look right. Thank you, David. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Okay, we have the CPI number. What's the matter? Hey, what's the matter? You wanted to eat, Josh. Now you're his best friend. Unbelievable. My dog's crazy. Motocross, man. What's going on, motocross? No problemo. No problemo. Oh my God. No problemo. Okay. All right. Very, very quiet here on the gold. Yeah, he went crazy today. 30-point bid push up on what? What happened? At what? Sorry, didn't call. At what level would you enter a NASDAQ long, did you say? I said it before. I said anywhere from the 60 to 90 range. 29,390 all the way down to 29,360. Oh my God. There goes the gold making new highs. I would take a scalp short on the gold, even though the ADXs are rising all over the place. You can 83.5, 84 up to 892. I would scale in wide on that. Okay. Anybody still trading Bitcoin? Bitcoin had a beautiful bull flag on Bitcoin. Again, using the software, you can identify these patterns. The 60 reverses to buy right here. Again, when the MACDs are above the pivot, you could take the short. You wait for the pullback. Drop roughly about, I don't know, dropped about from here to here, about 600. And then what do you look to do? What time is this? This is what, 14. And then what time is this here? Boom. You buy the first pullback on the 15-minute time frame, 81,600, rallied about 350. So that's a great pattern right there. There goes the S&Ps. I mean, NASDAQ, just gold's ripping. You gotta look to buy pullbacks on gold. That's how I look at it. You could take scalp shorts, or you could look to buy. Gold. Look to buy pullbacks. Okay. You could look to buy pullbacks, especially on the 15-minute time frame. Now, when the ADXs are rising on the 5 and 15-minute time frame, the pullback should be bought looking at the 3-minute time frame. Okay. All right, so the NASDAQ just rallied. You got that negative MACD there. It looks like a little bear flag, actually. Wanted to see if it got a little higher on the bear flag on the NASDAQ here. Just see if they got a little bear flag, 47.80. Okay, got the gold at 47. You got the long? Good job. Let's see the bear flag here. You got the short? Oh, you got the long. You got the long on the gold. This is the bear flag right here. Oh, 04. Wow, I missed that. That's a beautiful bear flag. Especially you can see the negative MACD like this here. The ADXs are rising. This is a nice little short. I still think that gold, I would look to scalp shorts. Yeah, you got to look to buy pullbacks on the 3-minute. S&P's new lows. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Damn it. Damn it. If you look here on the gold, again, got up to 83. So if you sold 83s, you could look to cover anywhere between the 77 and 80 range. So when you see these ADXs are rising here on the 15 like this, it's very hard to get a pullback on the 5. So if I bring up the pullback on the 3-minute, if I pull the pullback on the 3, if this thing allows me, my thing is frozen. Wonderful. All right. I don't know. This trade station's frozen. Every day something happens here. Jesus. Oh, here we go. So here's a pullback on the 3-minute. See? Right here? Here's the pullback on the 3. So when Josh bought 72s, the ADXs were rising on the 3 and the 5. Oh, my God. What a short on gold. Down 9. You get the short? Okay. How many contracts?
30.
30 you sold?
Yeah, sold 30.
You sold 30 at one shot?
On the top. No, I was scaling in like you said.
Yeah, but I said 83 to 92.
Why? No, 80 to 83.
80. I didn't say 80 to 83.
Initially. I mean, I heard wrong.
You're right behind me, 4.5 feet. How'd you screw that up? I just got NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Where's the bear? Josh, get in there. Look at this gold. What a bear flag. Look at this gold. Whoa, Nelly. NASDAQ kabooshed. I'm telling you, you're going to wake up one morning, they'll be down 1,500 points on the NASDAQ. Mark my words. Ciao bella, right? Oh, my God. Look at this gold. Oh, that was a, what did you make on that? 1,800. I just met you for the first time. You made 1,800. You should stop. That's what I would do. No. Yeah, I'm going to a different. No, excuse me. You stop. All right, cool. Okay? You don't do it, right? $1,800 you just made, okay, shorting an unbelievable pattern, okay? Okay? Now you go to a different account. The reason why people fail because they trade the same account, right? That's a boost. I got to give the bear. Where's the bear? NASDAQ. I said that was a bear flag on the NASDAQ. Bitcoin, I think the whole world is going to get killed, Moises. Okay? Okay? The whole world was a short. I don't know where I come up with these lines, but everybody loves them. I swear to God. Oh, my God. You got to see what I'm coming out with for a Christmas ornament. Oh, my God. Wait till you see these Christmas ornaments I got coming out. And the caboose T-shirt with the MyFundedFutures logo. SK Trading, MyFundedFutures. Oh, my God. Okay. Oh, my God. Why am I weird? That's a terrible thing to say. Just Jeremiah. That's terrible. Weird. I'll show you weird. It's crazy, man. Bear Trader, you got a large. Don't worry about it when I get them. All right. Oh, my God. Danny girl, wait till you see these. Oh, my God. Did you see him? I sent you a picture, right, in the chat. Oh, my God. Should have bought the gold. Gold right back up. What did oil do? Put the 3-minute back up. S&P's just, gold just ran 10. Good job. There you go. Solo Trader, how are you, Solo Trader? There you go. There you go. Great job, Billy Gibbs. My phone's blowing up. People on that gold short. Oof. Diggity dog. All right. Should have bought that gold on that. Where's my Johnny Walker? That is unbelievable. That's a great job there, Tula. Am I saying it right? Tula Genetics. Oh. My God, this gold just ran 12. Come on. So yesterday I was just chilling and I stayed home. What happened, Henny? Henny, you okay? All right, gold right back. Should have bought that gold there. Get in there, Henny. Oh, you should have seen Henny today. Where am I located? Jupiter Beach, Florida. Bada boom. Good job on the NASDAQ. I said that was a bear flag on the NASDAQ. I'm in Jupiter, Florida. If anybody ever wants to give me a holler, I'm here. I live about 5 miles from the beach. I love it here. Never leaving. They're voting on the Clarity Act in the morning. That's very big. And you have the CPI number at 8:30. All right. Oh, good job, Kobop. Good job, Kobop. Good job. I was yeah, they killed the dog, the little puppy. Which one you think was the best? 1, 2, 3, or 4, John Wick? Okay, which one you think? I like believe I like 1 and 4. I watched all 4 of them yesterday. I was just chilling. It was 95 degrees here. I was sitting in my backyard, in and out. Prediction CPI, higher than expected. You like 2? I like 4. I like 1 and 4. You like, no, you can pick 2, Jennifer. 1 is iconic. Absolutely. 1 is iconic. 1 is, the best. Hey, get over here. Jimin. Get over here. Get. Stop acting like a nut. Get in your couch. 1 is iconic. This gold was a short up there, 75. I got to start paying attention right here. 76. Nice short there. So you short. There you go. Ballerina. I never saw that one, believe it or not. I never saw that one. There you go. Asia session, a little active tonight here. NASDAQ is a double red short. So if this NASDAQ gets up to the, I go 90, 93, I'll probably look to short them, see if they get up there again. Go is a good short up there. Very quiet here. I can't believe this market's not breaking. Imagineer, have we ever spoke? Who believes in UFOs here? I don't think, Najee, I don't think there's going to be a big virus. Kana, let's see here. I think, so who thinks how do you rank the John Wicks? I say one is 1, 4 is 2. Santonio's got to be 3, and then 3 is 4. UFOs are real. 1, 2, 4, 3. I go 1, 4. I will go 1, 4, 2, 3. Jimmy, how's your son, Jimmy? More importantly, Jim. Oh. I'll take Johnny Walker over Johnny Wick. Oh my God, it's hysterical. I love it. What? Don't do that. That's Chinese torture whispering behind my ear. Just ask the question. Don't do that. Don't whisper like that. That'll drive me. That's like eating an apple next to me. I'll lose my mind. No whispering. Like,
I'm in this gold shirt. Should I close
if I what?
I'm in this gold shirt. Should I close it?
You didn't close it when I got to 65?
No. I closed that. I got into the shirt at 75 again.
I would, because look at this the 5-minute time frame. I mean, I would cover. Yeah, I would cover. How many are you short?
10 micro.
So I'd probably cover 5 and lower your stop on 5.
Gotcha.
That's an easy question. You don't have to whisper and drive me crazy. No whispering behind me. I get oh my God, I don't like that. I feel like I'm gonna get whacked. There goes the NASDAQ right back up, 95, 96, up to 1620. I take the short on the NASDAQ. See, gold's dropping. So I would cover a little bit more. Now you lower your stop on 3. Oh my God. Hey, Robert Bridges, how are you, Robert? Right? Now it's 68. Cover one more. Lower your stop to 71, right? 70 and a half. Lower. That's how you do it. Just a second account?
Yep.
Well, good news. Jim just texted me and told me his son's going to make 100% recovery. Jim, I'm telling you right now, you see this Bible? This is my mother gave me when I was 10 years old. I prayed for your son on this Bible, okay? The good Lord hears my prayers. I'm telling you now. D Hall, when are you going to come visit me, D Hall? That's right. Good Lord heard my prayers. All right, NASDAQ's going to get cabooshed here on the 5-minute time frame. Bye-bye in the bear flag. Tell me you got the short. Raphael? You didn't get filled. What are you waiting for? Let's go.
I'm not watching that thing. I was watching it before.
All right, so you probably stopped out now because I told you the 5 is going to turn up, right?
Yeah.
See that? Ah! S&P range, DA, I would wait. DL, I would wait. See what I'm saying?
Mhm.
That was good, but you don't have to, you know. The hell's the matter? You're gonna drive me freaking. I'll start drinking, right? Yes, you gotta. You just can't pop in. Any Henny will eat you. He almost ate Josh. You got to call me 914-500. Text me 914-500-7484. He's saying he's sorry. No, Henny's doing his job though. He's protecting his father. You crazy? Spideys, how are you? Brave Day, nice to meet you. The NASDAQ, if it gets up to the, be careful. The 15s are starting to turn up. Oh, he knows my number? Okay. What's a good time to chat? Just text me. I call everybody after the stream at 10 o'clock. All right. Did Denny post a link for the raffle tonight? We're going to do 10 giveaways. Okay. Please watch my podcast on my SK Trading YouTube, the bull, the bear, and the ugly every night. Brave Day, nice to meet you. And again, anybody new here who wants to ask me any questions or wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, just text me your full name and email. Okay, 914-500-7484. What's oil doing? It just got kaboomed. Oh, yeah, oil, baby. Get in there. If this oil gets up to 98.75 to 99, I would say 99, 99, 65, 75 to 45. I would take a scalp short on oil. There goes it. Look at the NASDAQ bear flag, Raphael. Do you see that? You're not short?
No.
What are you waiting?
I went long.
You went long?
Yeah.
It's a bear flag. Where are you long?
I was long at 94.
You're still long?
Yeah, I'm about to close it.
Well, I'm calling it short. That I gave you the biggest compliment I've given anybody in a year, and you just completely blanked this up.
I mean, I wasn't trying to watch NASDAQ tonight. You said watch gold, so then I switched.
And I called it short, and you're buying NASDAQ. Absolutely. Now you're on double secret probation. I might have to take back the compliment. That's a perfect 1,000% bear flag. It just dropped 20, and you're buying them. I did not say buy. I said I would short, even DL. Oh, my God.
I can't watch multiple tickets.
Who said to take multiple trades? I didn't call anything on
That was
gold.
my first. I mean, that was my second one.
What?
That was my second trade. The first one.
Compliment got absolutely caboosed. He's making history. Did you guys hear me call it short? I didn't say the word buy. I called 2 bear flags on the NASDAQ, and you bought the last one. Where's the bottle? Where's the Johnny Walker? This is what happened. I just kept my mouth shut and not gave the compliment, really. But I tried to do something nice, right? Right, Rocky? Look, he sits behind me, does his own thing, and wants to argue. Kick him out. See? This chat's brutal, bro. See? You were part of that chat. They know you now. Okay? How are you? Can I ask you a question? Seriously, no fooling around. I called this short into the negative MACD, right? And I said, did you get the short? You said no. I didn't get filled. Why are you buying them? Where did I say no? And I'm not trying to be funny. I'm not trying to make you embarrassed, because I did pay you a compliment. I just got to know for my sanity before I go to and fly to New York and go right to Bellevue and commit myself. Where did I say buy on that pattern? Right here. I just got to know. I just got to know before if the good Lord ever takes me. Right here. Where did I say buy? That's a short. Right there. Right into the negative MACD right there. Right? Right? No, he's good, but what I'm saying is, where did I just call me? You're 3.5 feet behind me. I just need to know where, again, I'm not mad. I just need to know for my brain so I can sleep tonight. Where did I say buy NASDAQ? Right here. You bought 94s. The high is 90. What's the high? 97 on the here. This is the bear flag. I just got to know. No, I'm not trying to put you down. I'm not trying to embarrass you or anything. I'm trying to help you, to be honest with you. Okay, right here. The high is 01. This is the bear flag. I said 95 to 15, 95 to 25 or something like that. Okay. Why were you buying here? Based upon what? The 5 got oversold into the negative MACD. You have a negative MACD on the 15. The spiders reversed. You see this right here? The S&Ps. S&Ps just dropped 5. I didn't even call a gold long or short. He was short gold.
I was short too. And then
he was short gold. Okay, you just said I can't watch 2 assets. I did not call a long or a short on gold. He said I'm short. When you were whispering, he said, what would I do now? I'm short 10, and I can't tell him what to do. I said, if it was me, I would cover half and lower my stop, right? Okay. So what I'm saying is, right there was no trade in gold. Here was a trade. I'm just understanding that was you have 2 monster bear flags, so you can see. You see it right there, right here. 1, 2. When you see patterns like that in the Asian markets, you gotta know how to you have to trade. All right, here's the link, everybody, to sign up for the register. 93 to 16. Right. Thank you, AP. And the high was what? 0102. So here, right here. You see this? Look in my chat right here, Raphael. You see it right here? Okay. You see that? 93 to 16. Do you see that?
Yeah.
No, right here.
Where?
Look, right here in my chat.
Okay.
Right? So what I'm trying to just be clear.
Oh, YouTube chat.
Right. Okay. Okay. But I'm not scolding you. I'm not yelling. I just want to understand what made you possess to take the long, based upon what? Now, the long here was off the 15. The long here was off the 15. But when it pushed up, the short off the 5 into the negative MACD.
I didn't look at that. I look at my chart.
What chart is that?
I mean, if you want to turn around.
No, I'll have a heart attack. Is it not my chart?
No, remember, I'm still waiting on those indicators.
Okay, but you're looking, okay, this is even worse. So you're looking at a chart when you're sitting right behind me and you have the NASDAQ futures directly right in front of you, right? So it doesn't get any better. So this is I just want you to not make mistakes. If you want to learn my methodology, then learn it's right in front of you, right here. It's live markets, right?
Yep.
If you want to learn your own charts, then that's a different story. Then I'm not the guy to teach you, right? So if you want to learn my methodology, and I've been around come this August 1st, 44 years. I've been with the biggest guys in the world. We've traded billions of dollars together. You did so well today, right? You listen to everything. You learn. You ask questions. All I'm saying is if I'm calling a short, very simple question. I'm not mad. I'm not embarrassing you. If you want me to mute this, I will. But I just need clarity for myself. What made you take the long? That's the only thing.
What I seen, my eyes.
Okay.
What I seen.
Well, you need some really good some glasses,
It was
please.
my eyes, that's it.
Okay. Well,
it's a little harder for me watching both particular though.
Okay,
so
but
I'm going.
But what symbol? You're only trading the NASDAQ. You're not trading gold.
No, I was trading gold.
Okay, so here's a $64,000 question then. I'm going to be completely relentless on this until I'm satisfied. Okay. If I'm calling it short and the chat heard me call it short and the Discord, right, everybody, I'm just trying to.
Short on
what?
I didn't hear you call that short.
You're 3 feet behind me.
I didn't hear you call it. Well,
even Hendricks heard it.
I missed the call.
Okay, then that's a different story. Okay, you're honest. Next. Next. I can't do it. No more. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, they were whispering. That's the problem. They were whispering during the short. Right? No, this is, look, I'm not here to fool around. I'm here to help people learn. I want people to be successful, right? I'm just understanding, okay? You like that one? Even Hendricks heard it, right? I just want people to be successful. That's all it is. I have a methodology. I spent nearly 10 years of my life building and studying real time forward testing. Okay. And you come and you be with me, you're going to get 44 years of experience. Well, come this August 1st, 43 and 3/4 years of experience, right? You want to be able to be successful. Okay. That's all. All right. So listen, water under the bridge. What do you lose? About 600 on that?
No. 200.
200? All right. Okay.
Yeah, I'll take the plan. I was whispering.
All right. Josh, can't whisper.
Yeah, no more whispering.
AMD's down $3 already? Come on, no. So during the night session, just so you know, and you should know because you're part of this for the last 6 months, right? The night session is very, very difficult to get good setups and patterns at times. And when you do, you got to jump up and down like a baboon. Okay? That to me, you have one bear flag, the pencil down right there, right? So here, this is the first bear flag. We caught the scalp long here. Quick bear flag into negative MACD, kabooshed, right? 30 plus points one guy made, right? Okay. All right. Exactly. I'm a perfectionist. Okay. Now you see this, see the pencil down here, Josh? I mean, Raphael, this is a bear flag. You got the post and here's the flag, upside down bull flag, right? So I said, look to short 93 to whatever I said, 93 to 15. The high is what? 01. And then look at it. Boom. That's 40 points, Raphael. That's $800 on the NASDAQ. Okay. And the only thing I'm saying is when you're saying you're looking at your charts, well, in my personal opinion, and then you said, I don't have your charts. Well, you do have my charts. They're right in front of you. You don't have my charts on your laptop yet. You'll get them first thing tomorrow morning. Yeah. What I'm trying to teach you again from my heart is that's a bear flag, right? And when you see a bear flag in an Asian market, or we had a bull flag one time last week on gold, I think it ran $22 or $26 like that in 3 bars. Beautiful bull flag. Everybody caught that bull flag. I remember that like it was yesterday, right? So now you see what happens? It's 849. Now it's like just sitting here like this. So if you get 3 to 5 great patterns on the NASDAQ, that's a pattern. That's not even a scalp. That's a pattern. So remember, there's pattern trading and then there's scalp trading, right? All right. I'm not scolding. You never heard me scold. Forget it. My kids have. Oof. When you take profits, so a pattern trade can last up to, on a 5-minute time frame, up to 8 bars. But if you make 40 points on the NASDAQ, I'm not waiting for 8 bars. If it dropped 3, I'm more than happy, right? AP, you understand? No, and you know what? This is good for you. It's learning, right? It's learning.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right. I'm not mad. You don't see me mad. The only time I get mad is if somebody disrespects me. Then I just tell everybody clear out, and that's the end of it. Because I can't take disrespect in any capacity. But what I'm just trying to say is you did so great all day today. You listened. What happened? What did you say to me in the car today? You said I was laser focused, right?
Yep.
Laser focused. You know why you were laser focused? And no disrespect to Josh, you were here by yourself. It was me and you. You were laser focused, like I was laser focused. See the difference? When you trade alone, you don't have any distractions around you, right? You're focused, you're lasered in, you listen, you hear, you're clear, right? That's important. Being laser focused is what makes greatness. Understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. No, he's not. Come on, Henny. Where are you going? My boo-boo, daddy. I love my boy. He loves you. You're my boy. Oh my God, Henny went off today. Henny was not playing a couple times today, right? Right, Gabe? Right, Raphael?
Oh yeah. Top security.
He did. He has. He did, DL. I'm very proud of him. He studied last night a lot. He studied. He came back after dinner. He absolutely. I mean, I want to see people succeed, right? You got a 15-minute bull flag. Hey, stop acting like a nut. Get over here. The 15-minute time frame starting to set up. Take care, solo trader. Did everybody sign up for the raffle? Did you sign up for the raffle?
No.
Why not?
I need to know.
I told you the raffle was being posted. Yeah, I think you can sign up quickly. You only got like 2 minutes. Did you sign up for it? It's in the. Then he sent the link. It's right here.
Yeah, it's still there.
All right, hurry up. How do you sign up? You got to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube and sign up the link. There's a link.
Yeah.
Good job, Pedro. NASDAQ along? No, I wouldn't buy NASDAQ here. It's still open. Short crude. I think I called this short in crude. Right here, I said 70. What did I say? 75? Oh, no, forget it. I said, what did I say? 75 up to 45 on the crude. Look at the gold get kabooshed. All right. Let's see if this 15-minute time frame on gold can set up. If this gold can get down to the 50, 52 and a half, 59 and a half, 60 and a half range, I would look to buy it off the 15 on the gold. Ram, this is what you have to have. You have to have the passion. Truly have to have the passion to learn. Okay. Gold gonna get kabooshed. Yeah, we called the short up there. Okay. Now I'll show you. Okay, the oil here. So there's another thing that you didn't see that I saw. Can I show it to you really quickly?
Yep.
Okay. So look at the 30-minute time frame. Okay. So when I'm calling that short, do you see indicator 3 here? It's turning down, right? So right here, you see it?
Yeah.
Indicator 3 is turning down. So when you got that push up on the 5-minute time frame, the bigger time frame always wins. So you pushed up on the 5 with indicator 3 turning down. It's right here. Look, it's right here. So indicator 3 was turning down, right? Again, you don't have my charts, but I didn't tell people. But that's another reason why I took the short. Okay, so the 5-minute time frame is pushing up, right here. Okay, the 5's we're getting overbought, but the 30-minute indicator 3 was turning down. So if one's doing this and one's doing this, and this is the bigger time frame, this time frame always wins, the bigger one. Okay. That's why you have to look at all the time frames. I understand. You don't have to have too many screens. Just trade one product. You don't have to have all these screens. The mouse got stuck. What is the gold call? I said look to buy gold anywhere between the 52.5 and 60.5 range. I look to scale into longs. NASDAQ may get cabooshed one more time here. No, it's not still valid on the NASDAQ short. And there goes the gold right back up. Ay, ay, ay. NASDAQ going right back down on the on that. Oh, look at the NASDAQ drop. Damn it. What a negative MACD. Another 3 bear flags on the NASDAQ. Look at this third NASDAQ. I thought it was going to get right. I thought it was going to get, what did it get up to 90? I was going to thought it was going to get up to 96. Just dropped 16 on the NASDAQ. All right, here comes the gold. Let's see if this gold can sit up. Man, freaking 3 bear flags in a row. 1, 2, 3. All right. NASDAQ didn't kaboom. It got kaboosh, Doomslayer. Hey, Ryan. Right? Thank you, Ryan. Anybody new here would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. Okay? NASDAQ setting up a double blue. Where do you see that? I don't see a double blue on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's about to reverse the sell on the 15. Let's see if this gold can get... What's going on here? Here gold, sell out the gold between 60 and 62. Oh, there goes the gold right back up. Oh, my God. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job, Catnip. Look at the gold off the 15. Oh, that's a kaboot. Where's the bull? There you go. And you know, I don't press that bull sound too much. Look at the gold up 7. Who bought the gold? Who got the gold? Now on that gold, right? You're scaling into long. You're not buying it more as it's going up, right?
Yep.
Okay. Did you get the long on the gold?
No.
You didn't hear the bull sound? I just played it. Can you hear the bull sound? Tim the Chin made 3 Gs. Good job. No sound. Nope. Gonna tell Aaron. My God, what a rally on the gold. That's an unbelievable rally. I just who just made 3,000 on gold? Is that right? Somebody just got deleted, I think. Tim the Chin? I don't see where he went. Okay. Gold was nice though. Nasdaq's not ready for a caboose just yet. Let's see what this oil is doing here. What is oil doing? If you short the oil at 75, I hope you're covering shorts here at 50, 55. That was a beautiful short on the oil. The algorithm reverses the buy with the MACDs above the pivot. You take the short. The 15s are starting to roll over. Hope somebody got the short there in oil. Papa Delt, you get the short? What?
I called the gold short.
And then call the gold short. I call the gold long.
It's caboose right now.
Okay.
I'm out top. Oh,
I would take a scalp long here on gold. 45 and a half to 52 and a half range. Wow, look at the gold rally right back up.
That was nice.
Oil got caboosed here. If you shorted the oil, anybody short the oil up there above 70? Gold just rallied at 7. Good job, Chip. Vlad, how are you? Core CPI tomorrow. It's right, 8:30. Thank you, David. Well, gold just ran 9 just now. 8:30 Eastern, correct. Journey, just text me 914-5. Just text me 914-500-7484. I would love to have you. How do you get the 5-day free trial? You text me your full name and email to my cell phone number. It's right there in the chat. David posted it. Thank you, Take for Keeps. Thank you. Elsie, you just text me your full name and email. You could text me Saturday, but what do you want to wait till Saturday? Today's Monday. The hell's the difference? What's happening? Okay. 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 This dog was abused, man, because he always thinks he's doing something wrong. I feel bad for the 6 years he had, but Daddy make it up to you, right? Daddy loves you so much, right? Nobody gonna hurt you ever again. Nobody gonna hurt my Henny. Daddy loves you so much. Nobody gonna hurt you. And the other thing is, like I said, if it's too much, right? If you're in a position, like sometimes I'm long or short AMD, SanDisk, Micron, Spiders, Amazon. Okay, I can handle. I mean, I used to have sometimes 30, 40, 50 positions on, right? If you know and you look in the mirror and the mirror says I'm only good to trade one asset at a time, then that's all you do.
Yep.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? So if you know in your heart you can't do multiple things, you can only be great at one thing, that's fine. Who cares? I told you, you have an account for index futures and you have an account for commodities, right? Oil or gold, right? So if you caught the short in oil and there's nothing going on in the S&Ps or NASDAQ, you go take the oil trade. You just go click. That's it. I think so, and every professional would think that. Are you here in the United States? Hidaz? Am I saying it right? If not, then you could Susie, you got the short on the oil? Do you have WhatsApp? Hildaz? Nothing. Nothing is better than that. Just Bob, good call on the bear flag. Great job. You didn't get the oil? James Robertson, did you get the oil short? Oil is probably sitting up along here. Right here. NASDAQ looks like it. I would not take any more shorts here, especially with the 30-minute time frame wanting to looks like it wants to turn up. Thank you, Tyler. The complete trader is $4.50 a day. Well, I'm not that. Vaster Trades, I do all my live trading during the New York session. I'm just here to educate and teach. I wish I had someone to help me put the trades in. Oh, this NASDAQ. I never traded cocoa. NASDAQ, let me see, could get one more push down here. Big number to watch on the NASDAQ is 29,323. That's a big number. Here goes the gold, the oil turning up here. Let me get down to 36 to 51. Damn it, AMD's down $3 already. They're going to get killed. Spiders, S&P, crude oil, big ones. Look at the oil, just rallied 20. Wow, look at the gold. The oil just rallied 30. Look at the oil rally, right? The double blue, the 5 correlating with the 30 and the 60. Here's the 30. Beautiful. Well, the 60 didn't. Correlated with the 30-minute. Nice long there. All right, let's see if this S&P and NASDAQ. It looks like the NASDAQ's about to make new lows here. You think gold's going to drop to 4? I think it can. MRAM. What the hell is this? MRAM. I think somebody traded that today. MRAM. The hell does this thing do? I have no idea what this is. This is a stock you guys want to trade. Look at this thing, DRAM. Look at the volume on this thing today. It's the ETF. Look at this thing. Oh, 79 million. It's an ETF on the memory chips. NASDAQ, cock cabooshed. Would you double down on your index? I'm only looking for a pullback to get an oversold condition. You're short MES? Okay, good. S&P is about to reverse the sell on the 30-minute time frame. Then you would, oh my God, I think they're going to get killed. At least the 72.50. Look at the 30-minute about to reverse here. See the 15. This one we came in. Just short up there, 41. But I'm not the time. Gold's got some bull flag. If gold gets down to the 47.5, 55.5 range, again, I'll probably look to take a long there on the gold. All right. You short gold at 70. I think I would cover the 15s. Look like they want to turn up, right? Where should I exit? I would be covering shorts here. The 15s and the 30s are setting up a bull flag, especially the 30-minute on gold. NASDAQ reversed to sell on the 15. Finally.
Gold is strong.
Yeah. Missed it.
Right.
You got the long?
Yeah. But I was scaling in because you said like I think 47 to 50 and a half.
55 and a half.
Yeah, so right at 55 and a half up here I got it. So only like 2.
This is brutal. Oh my God. NASDAQ finally reversed to sell. This gold is going to go right back down one more time. Is the NASDAQ long? I wouldn't buy the NASDAQ here now. Got to watch to see if gold makes new lows. I will not look to buy the gold here now. No, I wouldn't do it. All right, S&P is making new lows. NASDAQ, kabooshed. NASDAQ, here we go. We're finally seeing a 100-point move here. Everybody's, you know what's going to happen? Let me tell you what's going to happen in my estimation. Everybody's going to buy the dip, get killed, buy the dip, get killed, buy the dip, get killed, and then they're going to get slaughtered. Okay, that's what I think is going to happen, right? Big number here in the NASDAQ, the 29,323. So you're only 7 away. Hey. You could take a scalp long here only on the NASDAQ between the 29,300 to 30. See if you can get a scalp long here on the NASDAQ. 30 might reverse the sell, taking out that 23 level. But I think, anyway, what you're trying to do is the 15 reverse the sell. So you're looking to get a bounce to get short. But let's just watch. If these 30s reverse, the thing that's holding the market up right now is the oversold condition on the 15 and the 30-minute time frame on the NASDAQ. There were 4 great shorts on the NASDAQ. Absolutely correct. 1, 2, 3. Well, I would say solid 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe 3 or 4. All right. I don't think the NASDAQ got to 30. It was like 31 was the low. You should get a bounce here. So with the 15s reversing the sell, you're just trying to look for a long here for a push up to get short. But these 30s are starting to get oversold. So let's just watch it. You got 3 good shorts. Good job. Here goes the NASDAQ. There goes the gold.
700. We're back.
You're up 700?
Yeah, in the funded. I gotta lock out this account because it has consistency.
I thought there was no consistency.
It's the
Depends on what you count.
somebody we cannot name. Yeah.
All right, you went from a $200 debacle to up 700.
So I think I might close this long on the NASDAQ.
You're long?
Yeah, I
Just-
took a scalp long.
It's okay. You should get a bounce. Let's see.
Yeah, I'll hold it for.
Well, it's only 6 against you.
Gold looks like it's going for that low.
If the 30-minute time frame on the S&P and NASDAQ reversed to sell, okay, then I would look to short the first short bounce on the 5 and the second bounce on the 15. If this NASDAQ gets up to 27, 28, up to 30, 33, I'd be out. This could be the beginning of a caboose coming. Not tonight, but the next day or two. First of all, if you bought 30s, you scale in, right?
Yeah.
You don't buy every 2 points, right? You make every 10. Gold 44. And you don't go balls in either, right?
Yeah.
You buy 30s, maybe you buy some 20s, you kick some out at 25, 27, 28,
Yeah.
right?
My average right now is 24.
So offer some at 24 to break out even on some, right? Then go 25, 26, 27. I don't think you're going to get back to, if you get back to 30, let's see what happens. Should be offering at 24 some to get out.
I did.
You sold them?
Sold most.
What?
I sold most. I'm still in 14
I-
micro.
At 24?
23.
Why you take a point loss? I said 24. Now start scaling out. 25. You have to have offers out.
Gotcha.
I didn't. Why? If I say no, you're another one. If I say 24, why sell 23s, 26s, 26 and a half, 27s? What?
I did it really quick. It was 23.5.
So what? You offer. I didn't say market.
Oh, gotcha.
I never do market. What are you out of your freaking
I
bird?
did a limit. I did a limit.
You can't do a limit. You should be out. You should be exiting longs. I hear 24s, 25s, right?
Yeah.
You had the chance of 26, 26 and a half, 27. You still long?
I'm long 6 micros.
Not the end of the world.
Yeah.
But when you push up to 26 and a half, 27, I would have had offers. You always have to have offers out.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not arguing with you. I should have had offers.
See, 13. I knew to get out up there. That's how you have to have offers, right? If I'm saying sold 24s and then 25, I'm saying I would sell them, I'd sell them, I'd sell them. There's no reason to be long, right? Where you long out? Still 24?
Well,
Still long 6 or 24?
3. I took a loss on 3. I'm just holding 3. See
I'd probably buy a little bit more here if it got down to
I did down there.
It should rally here, back up to 18 to 20. All right, if you want to take a scalp long on the gold, look to take a scalp long 37.5 to 44.5. See, right back up.
I got the
23, 24, I'll be scaling out longs. You have to have offers, Josh. You can't sit there like you're reading in the library here. 28's out.
I'm out.
Okay? You have to have offers out constantly. You don't wait till it gets there. You do it ahead of time, right? Learning the ladder is the most important aspect of trading. What do I think? I think gold's going lower after this bounce. You get the long?
I'm in a loan right now.
I would start to scale out.
All right.
What are you waiting for? It just ran 20 off the lows. AMD's down 9. You got to be kidding me.
I'm up at 48.
Yeah, gold. I caught gold on. Thank God for split screen, bro. I was literally managing the Nasdaq trip off freaking long ago. Still in the 5.
Okay, gold. If you long the gold here, I would scale out of between 48 and 50. See the NASDAQ just pushed up to 28, just dropped 10. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You have to have offers out all the time.
Yeah, what I need is a mouse.
What?
What I need is
You can't trade with, is it you trading with your finger?
Yeah, dude.
Don't do this to me. I didn't even turn around. You're trading with your finger?
Yes.
What are you, out of your freaking mind?
Hands on the mouse.
Yeah.
You ever hear me say hand on the mouse?
Yeah.
Not finger on the pad.
Excuse me.
Hand on the mouse, not finger on the pad.
I usually trade with the mouse.
Well, what the hell? Where's the mouse? Would he die?
The mouse got left behind.
No. This is called hoopalitis.
What's that?
Hoopalitis is one with no brain between their ears. You don't trade with your finger on a mouse pad. This is insanity what I got to go through tonight. I've got to go for a ride to the beach tonight and sit with a Johnny Walker by my side. Really.
If you forgot your mouse, you wouldn't trade.
You don't trade with your finger on a mouse. Can you? That's insanity on a mouse pad. Thank God I haven't. If I saw that from the beginning, I would have told you to close the laptop. Really. That's why you didn't sell the 25s and 26s.
I didn't want to say anything else.
You didn't say anything because you were scared to death.
That too. I'm an honest guy.
Look at them drop. Look at them drop. Oh my God. Did everybody sign up for the raffle tonight? Everybody? Look at these S&Ps. Look at this NASDAQ. Pac-Man, get in there, Pac-Man. My bear is not, is the bear working at least, or the bull? Is the bear working, Pac-Man? NASDAQ, you can look to take a scalp long 70 even. Where's SanDisk and Micron? Oh my God. Chips getting hammered. I love it. Where's Micron? No, $1,000. It's got lower than that. Bear Trader, do you like my it's a Picasso? Bear Trader? No sound. There you go. The bear is back. Futures Trader, get over here for a week. Let's go. Rajman 5819, get over here. Let's go. That's right. Exactly. It's been so long. It doesn't matter. I got to do my own sound effects. Where's the bear? That's my own bear. All right.
Fill the coolest.
Fill the coolers. Again, let's see if this scalp NASDAQ. You can take the scalp long 70 to even here. You're going to get a push up on the 5. But I don't know, Pac-Man. They could just crash. Where's Micron and SanDisk? AMD's down 9, so they got to be getting killed. Can you imagine today AMD traded 469.70? I scared Henny. He jumped. You guys want to see something great? Look at AMD today. AMD. Okay? AMD. You're making new highs here on AMD. On the 15, and the MACD is negative. Could not confirm. I couldn't say short fast enough right here. Okay? Do you see that? And got kabooshed. AMD is getting slaughtered. Here comes the NASDAQ 70. They're going to get killed. They need a bounce here. Need a bounce. I knew the look at the NASDAQ. Unbelievable. I'm telling you, going to wake up, they're going to be down 900, 1,500 points. S&Ps, look at this. And I was short the highs today. They're finished. Yep. You got to look to short. Okay, the 30-minute time frame is reversed to sell. The only thing that saved the market right now is the oversold conditions on the 30. That's why if you want to take these scalp longs here on the NASDAQ, you should get a push back up. And that next push up on the 5-minute time frame, I would look to short the world. Okay. Look at this gold. Gold came in, the high was 47.80. NASDAQ should get a push up here. AMD's down 9. Why? I love it that they're going down. You want to look to short bounces. If you want to take scalp longs, you got to go wide and you got to go. Okay, if you bought the NASDAQ and you stopped out at 60, I think you could still maybe buy them again here, 20 to 40, 20 to 60. You're going to get a pop here. You're going to get a pop for a short. Gold, you could look to scalp long gold here. The 30s are reversing. S&P should get a push up above 75.80. Let's see if that happens. Intel's down 8. I love it. Anybody know where Intel down 10? Anybody know where SanDisk or Micron are trading, or Seagate? Oh my God, they're crashing. You got to be very careful scalping longs if you're going to do anything. Look at this gold. NASDAQ's $113 above the 10 bar. SanDisk is down 100. You knew they're going to get caboose. You got to look to short rallies. Here we go. Look to sell NASDAQ 50 up to 60 if it gets up there. Scalp the longs. Come on, Spooter, let's go. Get back in there. Nope, we haven't seen this in a while on the overnights. This is good, though. This is good. This is healthy. You want these pullbacks. Anybody know where Micron's trading? Micron was trading 311 6 weeks ago.
Micron 756.96.
756.
757. Yep.
There goes the NASDAQ could be out at 60. Thank you, Nick. Spooter, you get the long down there on the NASDAQ? You should get, now we got to look for shorts. Oil almost 100. Yeah, baby. Let's do it. That thing is driving me absolutely crazy. Gold, if you're long, start scaling out of gold above the 38. Stu, you get the long to make it up. Let's go. Stuart. Wow, look at the NASDAQ go. Do you get the long on the NASDAQ? You got the long on the gold. Be careful. NASDAQ getting sort of bear flags here. The 30s reversal. The strategy is to short the first bounce. So I say like 85.90 to 29,015. Stu, you get the long? Stuart? I don't know if you're going to get it. Next time you come, you have to have a mouse. You're driving me completely crazy.
I will, trust me.
All right. There goes the NASDAQ pushing up. It's still $61 from the 10 bar. 85.90 up to like 29,320. S&Ps, they get up to the 19 and 3/4 to 26 and 3/4. I would take the scalp short. There goes the NASDAQ. The breath is horrible. Invisible handshake, thank you. All right, we got the raffle in 2 minutes here. We got the raffle in 2 minutes. Three minutes on the raffle. Oh, There goes the NASDAQ pushing up. Gold was a good long. Off the 15s and 30s, S&Ps, NASDAQ should get to 85 now. What a long on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ just ran 55. Intel just bounced $6. There goes the NASDAQ. Another bear flag. Wait till these fives start getting overbought. Gold was a great long. Mike, Mr. Mike, no cursing. Come on, Baba. Look at the NASDAQ go. What an unbelievable rally. 70 handles. Setting up monster bear flag. First bounce on the 5 after the 15s and the 30s reversed to sell. Look at this NASDAQ. NASDAQ just ran 80. What a bear flag. Here we go. We're going to get killed. They should drop here. What a long. NASDAQ's going crazy. All right, it's raffle time. It's raffle time. NASDAQ, I look to cover anywhere between the 80 and 80 and even. I don't know where you guys are short. S&Ps anywhere between the 17 and 20. All right. Let's see here. How many are there total? Anybody know? I said 85 up to 25 or 90 up to 25 on the NASDAQ. Denny, can you tell me how many there are total? I can't scroll.
530.
530. Okay. 500. Thank you. 530 people signed up. Okay. Let's see here. Number 5. Number 5. My favorite number. Who's this? Justin Redo 3998. Justin Redo? Justin Redo? Are you here? Justin Redo? Justin Redo? No? Come on, NASDAQ, just drop. Justin Redo, are you here? Oh, he's here? Congratulations, Justin. Good. Okay, number 55. Number 55, please. And that is Apple, 1991 Apple. Apple's here. 1991 Apple. Apple, are you here? Congratulations. Number 530. 530. Oh, boy. You got to scroll all the way there. 530 is Yain Vest. Yain Vest. Yain Vest. YAIN Vest, VETS, Yain Vest. Yay, he's here. 538. Is he here, Jennifer? What a long. You ain't kidding. He's here. Look at the NASDAQ drop. Not yet. Yain Vest. I don't know. He told me there's 530. Get in there, Artan. Great job. Look at the NASDAQ go. You got to cover some short. I cover shorts.
There is 530, Steven.
I know.
Number one doesn't count, remember?
Right. I know that.
So
Just saying it is you invest here. Next. Let's do this. 531 then. 531. Real to real FR. What a short on the NASDAQ. Real to real FR? No? Tell me you got that short.
Not trading NASDAQ. Didn't
What?
even look at it. Not trading NASDAQ.
What were you trading?
Gold.
That's a monster bear flag. No, he's not here. Okay, real two. Congratulations. Denny's strict. If you don't hear when I say it, it's over. You know, right, Denny? Okay, let's do 485.
Yes, I am strict about it. You were not here when he called you. He said next after about 2 minutes. Therefore, you missed it. Sorry.
Yeah, we waited. 485. 485. Anybody get the NASDAQ short? 485 is Krish AI 2002. I think that's the second time I picked. Okay. 485. Krish AI 2002. What a short. You get that short?
I caught the little tail end of it. It was crazy.
How'd you not catch the whole thing?
I was in that gold long.
Krish, that's 3 so far. What's lagging? I gave you 2 minutes. Oh my God, what a short. Congratulations, Krish. Number 385. 385. 385, please. What happened? Why are you in the hospital? The wife? Spectre Trading. Spectre Trading. Spectre Trading. Are you here? Spectre Trading. What a bear flag on the S&Ps. That's insane. And the NASDAQ. Again, that's a strategy. Congratulations. He's here. 290. Spectre Trading. There you go. Get in there. 290 is... Hey, Dave G3443. Dave G3443. No, I think his wife's having a baby. That's 6. Okay, let's do a 170. 170. 170. 170. P-Long 9360. P-Long. 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 Is he here? Yay, congratulations. Let's go number 98. Number 98. Number 98. LJO Trader. LJO Trader. Number 98. What a short on the NASDAQ. Number 98. LJO Trader. Anybody here? LJO Trader? I think NASDAQ could be down more than 1%. LJO Trader going once, going twice. Jennifer. Hey, congratulations. Jeff just had a baby girl. Woo! Jeff W., congratulations. All right, beautiful. God bless. Next, 166. 166. 166. Oh, no, I'll just pick this number. D Hall 20. D Hall 20. D Hall 2. D Hall, is that you? Oh man, hey, congratulations. He's here. How many is that, Jennifer? 8. D Hall is here. Number 77. Number 77 is Lucky FX 28. Lucky FX 28. Lucky, we got 2 more. And if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. That's 9. Last but not least, number 125. 125, and that should do it for the night. 125 is Serial Trader. Serial Trader. Serial Trader. Congratulations to all the winners. Serial Trader is here. Hey, congratulations, Serial Trader. I want to thank Denny. I want to thank MyFundedFutures. I want to thank Jennifer. I want to thank Aaron. Okay. All right. That was a great short there. S&P's just dropped about 40 on that. That's 10. Again, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. And if anybody would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email, and I will send you the link for the 5-day. I want to say thank you very much for MyFundedFutures. Thank you again, Denny, Aaron, Jennifer, and thank you all of you for being here. I'll see you all tomorrow. And remember, 10:30, 11:30 on Thursday, I will be hosting the MyFundedFutures Hour. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Good night, Denny.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wit got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.